Hey guys, it's so nice to have you back on Purposeful today. For those of you who are new to this channel, I'm Kripa and nutrition is my jam. Most of us love bread. It's delicious, it's convenient, and it pairs well with practically everything. But in an effort to get healthier, we tend to switch white bread for brown bread or even whole wheat bread. But what if I told you that 2 slices of whole wheat bread can actually raise your blood sugar a lot more than actual table sugar? Would you still continue to opt for a sandwich instead of actual sugar, knowing just how damaging sugar can be for you? For starters, not all grains are the nutritional powerhouses they claim to be. The thing is, you don't get the grains today, the same ones that your grandparents ate. Today, hybridized and new versions are being developed that are far more starchy and have a far greater impact on your blood sugar than traditional kinds of starch. That's not to say all grains are terrible for you. Some are decent sources of carbs and some are okay in moderation, so long as you can tolerate them. Here's the thing, not all people tolerate grains too well, but sometimes they don't even know that they don't tolerate them because they've been wired to eat it throughout their lives. But some grains can trigger gut inflammation, and it also contains a lot of mold toxins without you even knowing it. Now, I certainly don't mean give up all sources of grains, but if there's one source of carb you're better off without, it's bread. I've seen so many products in the supermarket that are labeled with 7 ancient grains, but if you actually flip the package over and see the ingredient list, you'll see things like amaranth and quinoa somewhere at the bottom of the list, which means it's the smallest part of the mix. There are chances that you're not even getting a lot of the unrefined stuff. Today, a lot of brown bread, I don't mean whole wheat bread, but brown bread is just white bread with caramel coloring. I know it sucks and it's a tough pill to swallow, but if you want to get healthier or even work on losing some body fat, you're a lot better off without bread. Not only does it contain super starch and super gluten, which causes inflammation and stocks onto body fat, but it's also extremely addictive. That's enough super for today. So that's it for today, guys. If you like what you see and want to stay updated with the latest fitness, nutrition and health tips, like and subscribe below. Until next time, keep beasting.